To quiz on cake application. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will tell you guys how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your cake application, then it will open directly on your home page. Right now I will practice a quiz. I will just come here. For example, I will choose a video, for example this. I will click quiz, and as you see, click OK. Okay. And now you will start. Complete the sentence. I don't need to get them. I don't know. And click OK. And as you see, it's not correct. And you will play like this. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.